So I've been just sitting here relaxing, kicking back, doing my thing, and wondering kind of why everybody is freaking out on toilet paper in America when we all have socks. Which leads me to mention this next thing. I only run Linux. I've been a Linux user since the early 90s. And I'm getting older. I'm a retired dude. And, I just want to use my OS. So anymore, I just run Linux Mint. And it is beyond spectacular. It's the operating system for the people. I'm convinced of it. It's nearly perfect in many ways. So when I edit or render video, I just use, I think they call it Pitivi. And I know a lot of people use kdenlive, which I should try. I really should. Pitivi. People complain about it crashing. I've had it crash once, but that was my fault because I changed the file name while the transcode was in process. I deserved that one. But I wonder how kdenlive handles multiple CPU cores. Let's check this out, man. Look at this thing. So it's doing its thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's still working away. So you might note that I'm currently using my laptop. My desktop system's down. I have a pretty powerful desktop system, but right now it's in need of a power supply. So I'm using my laptop, which is a Core i5 processor. And it does have 8 gig of RAM that I put in it, but look at the processor usage. It only uses 1 core at a time. Look at the CPU load on the other 3. It's minimal. Like, really? It seems like a waste. I'm just curious what other people use. I bet most use kdenlive. Anyway, I guess what I'm wondering if there's any way of forcing Pitivi to use more core power. 73.